I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink inside an email. Whether it's a formal business note or just something casual, using hyperlinks makes your emails cleaner and way more useful. So let's jump right in. First, open your email account and click the Compose button. You'll usually see it in the top left corner, sometimes shown as a plus sign or a little pen icon. Clicking that opens a blank email window. Now go ahead and start typing your email. Add your greeting, the body text, and a proper sign off at the end. Having your draft ready makes adding links super straightforward. Next, decide which text you want to turn into a clickable link. Instead of pasting the whole URL, it looks kind of messy, just highlight the specific words. Click and drag your mouse over them. With the text highlighted, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a little chain link sitting near the bold and italic buttons. Click it and a small box will pop up. In this box, paste the full URL you want to link to. Double check it because sending someone to the wrong page is not fun. Once it looks good, hit apply or OK. Now the text you highlighted should look different, maybe underlined or in a new color. That means it's officially clickable. And that's it. You've added a hyperlink inside your email. It's a small step, but it makes your messages cleaner and more professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice so it becomes second nature.